Okay, welcome to Blender. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of depth of field. So what I'm going to do is just have the default cube right here, and then I'm just going to press G and make a little bit of a background right here and just stretch this out. So what I would ask you to do first and foremost is switch out EV to cycles, and what we're going to do, take the default cube, Shift D, let's move this back, and all you want to do is just position the camera so that you're facing this way. Let's go view, align camera to view. So now you've got this. Let's press G just to bring this back just ever so slightly. And essentially what we're going to do for depth of field is we're going to get rid of the cube at the back by making it a little bit more blurry. Not so much get rid of it, but make it blurry. So we're going to go ahead, go to the depth of field, so it should be a little camera icon right here. If you click the camera right here, go to the dropper on focus on object, and we're going to select the first default cube that we had. Go to your f-stop under aperture and just take that down to 0. So what's going to happen now is, as you can see, the background has blurred. So I'm going to go and just make this piece a little bit darker right there. So if we go back to the camera settings, you'll notice that when I mess around with the f-stop, we're now in focus, we're now out of focus. So the lower the f-stop, the less everything in the background will be in focus, and of course the foreground, and the higher everything will be in focus. Now there's something else you can do here, which is ratio. Now if you bring ratio down, this should start to stretch, and then you can mess around with your f-stop and just bring stuff back into focus and mess around with your ratio if you want to. Totally up to you. There's also settings for cameras within this, I do believe. So I believe that when you say like you're filming something with a camera or you have an image in the background, just go ahead and try and copy the f-stop, and then try and copy, so you got focal length here as well, you can change that. So yeah, just try and copy everything that your camera's information is giving you onto here, and you can, you can relatively kind of recreate it with Blender. So yeah, that'll be the tutorial for today. Next time we'll be looking at fisheye. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.